Wait. Napakadaming mga bonggang rides and attractions sa Universal Studios Japan. Pero whether first time mo or gusto mo nang bumalik, here are some that you must not miss. Una na syempre ang Donkey Kong Country, which is the new extension of Super Nintendo World. And ang main attraction dito ay ang Minecart Madness. Isa sa pinaka-unpredictable rides dito sa USJ. Sasakay ka sa isang minecart and it will take you through a jungle adventure na pag-uusapan nyo pa rin even after the ride. Don't miss this Donkey Konga themed rhythm game kung saan you'll hit drums kasabay ng mga lights, and kung sumakses ka, you'll see Rambi the Rhino sa isang crate. Explore mo na rin the rest of Super Nintendo World kasi ibang klase talaga. Para kang hinigop ng favorite games mo. Dito naman sa The Wizarding World of Harry Potter, ang kailangan mong masakyan ay itong Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey, na punong-puno ng magical effects. Best part for us was when we went face-to-face with the fire-breathing dragon, Aragog the giant spider, and a bone-chilling Dementor. Just next to it is Flight of the Hippogriff, a roller coaster that will take you through Hagrid's garden. Dito naman sa very vibrant na Minion Park, look for Glue's house to experience Despicable Me, Minion Mayhem, kung saan you'll go on a journey to be one of the minions. Bukod sa thrills, puno rin to ng comedy na perfect for the whole family. And you can meet Gru himself around the park. So make sure to include Universal Studios Japan in your Osaka itinerary. To book tickets, visit this link, which will take you to Klook. May standard studio pass and meron ding mga add-ons and Klook exclusives. Just pick what works for you best. And to make sure you get to experience all, visit this link naman to get an express pass. So you could skip the regular lines and mas marami kang masasakyan. Ilan lang yan sa mga hindi nyo dapat palagpasin dito sa USJ. I-discuss namin ang iba pa soon. Gawa tayo ng part 2, so don't forget to follow!